2003 Ford F-250, and today I'm going to show you how you would add power steering fluid. So first open the hood and turn the vehicle off, and then over here you'll see your power steering fluid reservoir. Double check your owner's manual good online source that the liquid you've got to add is the best fit for your make and model. But to add, you'll just twist this and it pulls right out, and it's got a little dipstick on there to tell you if it's full or not. But with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, you can fill as needed and test it with this little dipstick. When you're done, just put it back on nice and tight. And there should be a little air gap, so it shouldn't be completely full. And then once it's full, you shouldn't have to add to the system very often, so double check. Make sure there's no leaks around this little reservoir or anywhere leading to it. But I hope all this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.